YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. This is video number 2 of the day. If you guys are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. Also, make sure that you smash that like button. It helps with the algorithms. And you're already here, you might as well hit the like button, and you might as well hit that red button too, and turn on that bell. Ring a ding ding, that bell right there. And then last but not least, man, make sure that you follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. Also, what I'm covering in all of my videos today was already posted in short on my Instagram. So now let's get into it. Alright, so you watched my last video. I talked about the Space Hippie collection, the This Is Trash collection, which is dope. But this video right here, I am talking about the Jordan 1 tie-dye. So the Jordan 1 tie-dye is a shoe that's been rumored and leaked throughout the entire year, starting from the end of 2019 all the way up through January, February, all the way up to now. And as of this morning on the Sneakers app, we have been giving confirmation. Well, we've already had confirmation, but now we have a release date with official images of the women's release, of the women's release, Jordan 1 OG High in the tie-dye colorway. Now, just to make sure, I'm going to pull up my phone right here. I'm not going to put it on the screen because I don't feel like editing that right now. But what I'm going to do is, come on, hurry up and open up. Nike loves taking his time. Alright, so I'm going to go pull it up right here. And I do want to see the actual size run of this tie-dye Jordan 1. Because if I'm correct, when I saw it before, the size run kept me out of it. So let's look at it again. Is it gone? Where'd it? Oh no, there it is. Okay. Alright. So here we got it. We got the Jordan 1 women's tie-dye right here. The size run that it gives us right now, at least as of right now. Now, we did see with the roster before, they changed the size run. It was extended sizes. And then on the release date, they only gave us regular women's sizes. But we do have right now women's size 5 through women's size 12, which is a men's 10.5. So the biggest shoe, if you're bigger than a 10.5, maybe if you're an 11 or maybe an 11.5, you could try to squeeze into a 10.5. But right now, we are getting women's size 5 through size 12, and then I think it's also coming in grade school sizes or toddler sizes. Yeah, we are getting little kids and toddler sizes, so look forward to that. I wear a size 12 men's. I will not be able to get my foot in these. Not sure if it was a shoe that I would even really wear anyway, but if you want them, definitely don't sleep. At the end of the day, it is a Jordan 1 High, whether it's women's or men's. It's a Jordan 1 High. They always sell out. It's something different with a Jordan 1 High. We got a pattern on it that adds a whole other level of flair to it, even if you're not really with the tie-dye pattern. A lot of people are going to get it just because of the fact that it is a Jordan 1 with a pattern on it, and they definitely will resell. They definitely will sell out immediately. And as far as resale value is concerned, I'm not 100% sure. It all depends if they do end up coming out with extended sizing or not. But there's definitely going to be a bunch of pairs from women's sizes all the way down to toddler sizes, but they will sell out. Don't let the fact that there's a bunch of pairs think, oh, I could wait and get my pair later. No, they're going to sell out. It's a Jordan 1. Every Jordan 1 sells out and ends up going up in price over time. So if you want them, go after them. Get your hands on them. I'm going to try to get my hands on a pair, maybe from someone else that I know gets one, so I could do a review for you guys. But that is it for this video, guys. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Make sure that you smash that like button. And if you are new here, man, join the channel, join the family, hit that subscribe button. And also make sure to ring that bell, ring the notification bell, man, so you could join the notification squad. You'll know when every video drops, and there's going to be a lot more content coming out soon. I got a sneaker coming in tomorrow that I actually can't wait for. Can't wait to do an unboxing for. It's going to be a part of the Buy What You Like series. But that is it for this one, man. I'm the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.